Good job. Let's count from the beginning. Good job. Let's count from the beginning. There's nothing to see. 1. 1. What comes after 1, Harper? Can you count 1, 2, 1, 2. What comes after 2, Harper? Harper, what comes after 2? 3, 4. Comes it? Yeah. What comes after 4? 4, 5. And what comes after 5? 6. Do you remember what comes after 5?
Harper's turn.
6.
Can I watch?
Do you remember 6?
I'll watch.
Okay, the end.